everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and in today's video I have a giveaway, but also I'm doing a review on the Bisous facial cleansing cloths. So I've got two of the charcoal cloths and then one of the nude pink cloth. So this is a makeup remover cloth that removes all the makeup off your face, and you just need to use water with it. Hello, you can use cleansers and stuff, but you can just use it with water. So the Bisous facial cleansing cloths is laying the foundation for a beauty movement that is sustainable, cost-effective and chemical-free. Bisous is a specifically knitted nanofiber which, when wet, causes a hydromechanical process that removes all makeup, including HD and waterproof, without disrupting your natural pH levels of the skin. Aptly named Bisous, translating to kisses in the language of love, our nanofiber makeup cloths gently embrace and cleanse your face. So you can follow them at Bisous.store on Instagram, www.bisousstore, and on Facebook at Bisous Cloth. So if you guys want to win yourself a 3-pack of these, which retail for $41.55 New Zealand dollars, then you have to make sure that you're following their Instagram and also subscribe to me and following me on Instagram as well. So I will list the competition on Instagram so it's easier to see, and then I will do the winner, let's see, maybe I will do it on the 31st of August. The 31st of August I will be doing the giveaway for these and announcing the winner, and Bisous will send you out a 3-pack of these cloths as well. So without further ado, let's actually see if these cloths are good before you want to know if you want to work into the giveaway. So what I'm going to do is I'm only going to use one of these cloths here, but this is pretty much the packaging that they come in. It says on the front here, reusable, sustainable, economical, chemical free, and then it's got the cloths there and then all the information on the back. So I'm just going to open it up, and as you can see I've got a full face, like it is full, honey, it is full. Alright, and on the card, how to Bisous. Bisous nanofibers are activated by water, so ditch the cleanser and go au naturel. We advise against the use of product on Bisous. Okay, so don't use product, just use water. It blocks the nanofibers from doing their job. Bisous is washable and reusable for up to 1,000 machine washes. Machine wash cloths before initial use, so these are clean as well. Designed in Australia and made in China. Step 1, wet Bisous thoroughly with warm water. Step 2, wipe in circular motion to remove dirt and makeup from your face. Step 3, voila, once you're clean and Bisous is dirty, put your cloth in the washing machine on a normal cycle. Alrighty, so I think what I'm going to use is I'm going to use one of these charcoal ones just because they look super cute, and I'll just pop them in there. So this is how big it is here. It's a very large cloth, like it's very, very big. Covers your whole face like twice over, so you could use it in circular motions, you could use one piece, do 2 hands, do whatever you like. So I'm just going to warm up the water. I've just got you on my sink at the moment, so I'm going to warm up the water. So I have used other cloths like this before, and I really like the technology how you don't need any cleansers or anything. So the fact that you just need warm water is really cost effective. So you only have to buy these cloths, and then warm water is free. So yeah, you just got to wait for the water to go up. Now that the water's warm, I'm just going to be covering my whole cloth. I'm literally drenching it. It's getting drenched, so I'm just going to drench the whole thing and squeeze it in the water. Fill it up too. Alright, so now I'm just going to squeeze it out. Squeeze out that water. Alright, so now I've done that, I'm going to use it in circular motions and see how it removes my lipstick. It's pretty good, and you literally can't see any of it on here. Okay, let's try this. So I'm going to remove my eye makeup. I'm going in circular motions. It's pretty, and literally you can see like not that much on there. Alright, I'm literally using half of it because I'm just trying to show like how easy it is to take off one side of the face. I haven't actually tried these before to see if they are super easy, but assuming they are. Oh wow, look at that. That literally took like 1 second to get all that stuff off. Like, of course, it's not all out of the little bits of my eye, but look at that. That is like a pretty clean face. Alright, I'm going to try the other side now because it's got more liquid left on it. I'm just giving it a scrub now. I'm doing this in real time. What it feels like on my face is nice and soft. Actually, here goes in my piercings, because I know piercings are a bit hard for cloth. Like usually my septum will get caught into cloths, you know what I mean? I haven't got caught yet, so it's really good. Yeah, it's pretty good. Alright. Circular motions on my face while I scrub it. Scrub it up, dub, circular motion. Getting off my neck, cause I put makeup down my neck. Ah. Alright, so that is my makeup cloth. So you can see a bit on there, but not that much, and it is like removed most of it. Hang on, let me get under my eye. In literally a matter of seconds, but I'm literally like not looking in the mirror, I'm looking at my viewfinder, so it's very hard to see if I've missed a spot. Yeah, so that's it there. Like literally look, it's cleaned my face like so insanely. That is crazy. That is so crazy. And it's just cleaned everything up. So that literally took a couple of minutes just to wipe it off in just a bit of water. My face feels nice. I've got really sensitive skin too, so things like makeup pads and that kind of thing, makeup wipes can really irritate my eyes, but just using water, it's not irritating my eyes at all. So yeah, and my face just feels really fresh and clean. Like it just feels really good. So yeah, I think that this is definitely a good idea if, well, pretty much if you wear makeup, this is a good idea. Also, if you have real sensitive skin and cleansers and that hurt your eyes, if you get really watery eyes, this is a really good thing to use on your eyes as well. And it's really clean. Like you could just hang this up and be like, I'm going to use this next time. Like I think it's really cool how you don't have to waste cotton buds, cotton pads, that kind of thing. Makeup wipes, you can just use this and water, 1,000 washes, like what could go wrong? And it's pretty cheap too. Like that's pretty good. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Have you tried Bisous before? Because I actually really like this, and I've got 3 of them, so it's literally going to be 3,000 washes of cloths that I've got here. So amazing. So let me know in the comments down below if you have joined their Instagram and joined my Instagram, and then also subscribe to me. And then on the 31st of August, I'm going to be picking a winner that has done all 3 of those things, and you can win yourself 3 of these amazing cloths and save you some coin as well. So yeah, if you want to subscribe and everything and join, then let me know in the comments down below. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one.